Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia P10 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and tap on next. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to choose it from this list. If not, just tap on add account and go through this process right now. You have to choose who's going to use this device and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, as I said, or type your email or phone. So let me do it. And then tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and of course we can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we have to decide what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data, totally up to you. I'll choose this one, you can choose both of course, and then tap on manage backup. And here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left, we can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some additional charges. And to finish everything, to finish the backup, simply tap on backup now and your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.